Folks in Storm Lake are cleaning up today after high winds did a lot of damage to that community. There, the entire town lost power early this morning.
KCCI's Bo Bowman shows us what they're going through now.
The winds last night were strong enough to take out trees, drop power lines, and look at this, even take out this wall to this manufacturing plant, the roof along with it. The NWS says they were straight line winds, not a tornado.
The strong winds blew the bricks off of Merrill Manufacturing's building, the roof along with it. Much of the debris can be found in their parking lot, wrapped around a light pole. And across the street in Dollar General's parking lot, that store's front facade was blown to bits by the wind. Mayor Mike Porsche says it's hard to believe the damage left behind.
It was devastating. I mean, it was a lot. When I got up this morning, it was a lot worse than I had anticipated.
By noon, nearly all streets had been cleared of debris, opening them up for Mid-American crews to get to work to restore power.
Just got it back here about 15 minutes ago.
For residents like Carl Boyd, it's time to call tree removal companies. A large trunk fell on his garage around 1:30 this morning.
The wind just came and there was a big howl and boom. That fell, and about 10 minutes later it just started pouring down rain.
Large limb from this huge tree fell down and landed on their shed, and a couple sheds actually. So we're just trying to work on it.
Aaron Johnson is working with his kids Friday to cut down this tree that fell on his neighbor's shed. He says it's hard to believe it wasn't a tornado that swept through town, and he's glad no one was injured.
Really pretty violent, you know.
Mid-American crews are still working to restore power to everyone. Some pockets here in Storm Lake have started to come back online, and they hope to have everyone back online around 8 o'clock Friday night. In Storm Lake, Bo Bowman, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.